Hello everyone, and today I'm gonna show you how to use 70SP or 7 source patcher to install custom icon pack on Windows 10. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install HUD Machine Blue Icon Pack for Windows 10 version 1903, 1909 and 2004 version. And I'm gonna use the 70SP source patcher 2019 edition. With this source patcher you can completely change the icons in Windows. You can change side images in Windows, and you can change theme using a source patcher. But today I'm gonna show you how to change the icons using this icon pack HUD Machine Blue. Okay, let's start. To download 70SP source patcher, go ahead to download it from this link. You need to make account on DeviantArt to see download link. This is 2019 edition, and the author of this source patcher is Fixit, aka Fixit Tools. Download it, and from this link you can download the icon pack. So this icon pack is working for Windows 10 version 1903, 1909 and 2004. Scroll down to see download link. Here we go, HUD Machine Blue Icon Pack by Mr. Grimm for Windows 10. Also you need to make account on Virtual Customs to see download link. Okay, when you download it and we get 70SP as exe file, and I'm gonna run it as administrator. Okay, from here I'm going to add a custom pack, and then I'm gonna select HUD Machine Blue Icon Pack. I'm gonna click open, and before you install any custom icon pack you need to have completely default Windows 10 icon in the system, and then you can start to install custom icon pack. So make sure that you have Windows 10 default icons and then install a new custom icon pack. So here's the preview of every icon that will be replaced with the default one. Okay, now here we have some options. We can create a new restore point, which I check it, and I'm gonna click save. And here what I'm going to do, I'm gonna start patching. Okay, and now it asks me to create a restore point. Yes, continue. And now I just need to wait until the patching is done. Okay, now I need to reboot my Windows, and after I reboot my Windows I will be back with new custom icon pack. Even I have the already icon pack, I need to restart my PC. Okay, I am back after restarting, and you will get the same message as me. The system has been patched, and here I'm gonna click OK, and that's it. You get new completely icons on the Windows. So this is HUD Machine Blue completely icon pack for Windows 10. And now if you're wondering how to restore, well, it's very simple. Just run 70SP again, and here just click restore, and then choose the first option, restore modify system files to before 70SP was used. That was, I say that it's the best way to have default Windows 10 icons. So in the case you want to restore it, you select the first option and then click OK. That's it. That's how you can restore it. I'm not gonna restore it because I'm gonna use these icons for a while. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.